Okay, now this size should be 20. Let me see. As we can see, there's a little bit more I need to cut here. Okay, now we got 26.6 is okay, because this thing needs 27.2. So now this one can fit inside. Okay, when you finish printing it, I recommend you to print it in ABS because it will be touching the build plate, and even PETG, with time it will change the shape. So I totally recommend to use ABS. If you don't have ABS, at least use PETG, because PLA is not even to consider, because this thing is really touching the bed. So after time, PLA will change the shape really quickly. When you finish printing it, first you can slide this part, because this one, they will be touching each other like this. You can use this screw. The screw size, let me see, the screw size is M320. You need 2 of them. It will go on this hole. So we can put this M320. But it's okay. The tight part will be here. This one will come here. Before that, just slide the brush that you already cut. It will slide here perfectly. Okay, it will slide here inside like this, and the other part, we can just screw it together. The other one. Okay, the brush is already in the build plate guide, and actually it's cool, looks cool. Now I will install it in my build plate and do some gcode so the nozzle will clean itself.